indeed a pleasure for me to be here this morning to celebrate this very important day, the International Yoga Day. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in India. The word yoga derives from Sanskrit and means to join or to unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. Today, it is practiced in various forms around the world and continues to grow in popularity. Recognizing its universal appeal, on 11th of December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as the International Day of Yoga. The International Day of Yoga aims to raise awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga. Yoga is very important for a healthy being. It can contribute in a holistic way to achieve an equilibrium between the mind and the body. This approach to health and well-being can make a direct and useful contribution to mankind's quest to achieve sustainable development and move towards lifestyles that are in harmony with nature. Since 2015, which was the first International Day of Yoga, Fiji is actively celebrating and promoting it. In 2016, His Excellency, the President of Fiji, together with many other important dignitaries, graced the function and participated in the yoga drill as well, showing how much the leaders of this nation value healthy living and yoga being an instrumental part of it. In 2016, the Ministry of Education took a very positive initiative and organized International Yoga Day in schools throughout Fiji. 30,000 students participated in the program, and the ministry also decided to make it a part of school curriculum. We hope that this program will sow the seeds of wellness in the young generation. The problems of modern lifestyles are well known. People suffer from stress-related ailments, lifestyle-related diseases like diabetes and hypertension. We've found ways to control communicable diseases, but the burden of diseases is shifting to NCDs. Young people who are not at peace with themselves seek refuge in drugs and alcohol. Adults not able to deal with the pressures of life resort to crimes and violence. There's ample evidence that practicing yoga helps combat stress and chronic conditions. Yoga is an intervention. As an intervention, is being encouraged as an integral part of NCD prevention and management across the globe. It is very useful for women also, creating them inner peace, making them more active and flexible, increasing blood flow in the body, helping them focus and concentrate better, helping us sleep better, and building our strength. 20 to 30 minutes of yoga a day can change a life. I'm happy to note that the government of India and the Fijian government are working shoulder to shoulder to promote yoga in Fiji through these wellness campaigns in our country. I extend my best wishes to all participants and organizers on this occasion. Thank you. Vinaka Dhanyavad.